Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit the format of your document on the Canva application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the home button, down below click on documents at the top. Then once it is loaded in, you should type in your text, the body of your text, and if you want to change the formatting, tap on this FF button. You can select the font. You can choose from these listed options, or you can also type it in if you have a particular font in mind. If you tap on the H button, you can select the document style such as heading, subheading or body text. Then you can set the font size on this slide as well as the font color. You can also italicize your text. You can underline it and make it bold by the B button. You can change the paragraph. You can add bullet points if you want to. And you can also number them by double tapping on the this button, and you can also change the alignment of the text. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.